Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today I'll be going through Chapter 9 of PC Pro for the PC Pro certification. Give me that. Okay, so I'm gonna just real quick go with you guys and tell you a little bit about Chapter 9, how it was for me. Chapter 9 was uh, pretty cool. It was about mobile devices, so that was really cool. We got to learn about laptops and um, all about like different components and stuff with their like different on the keyboard you have your different keys. We learned about what all the different keys do, what they mean. um Learned how to troubleshoot them. We learned about iPads, kind of the iPad setting kind of thing. We learned about the different like security and stuff for it. It's really cool. I liked this one. This one was a pretty interesting one for us to go through. We learned about all the different portable devices that you can use and stuff between like smartphones, iPads, like laptops, tablets, that kind of thing. Um, these are all the different like icons that we learned about. Obviously, dual display, Bluetooth, your volume settings, your media controls, your screen's orientation, and everything like that. Um, for some of our labs, we went through for this one and we learned about the different modes you can put your computer into when going, like, so if you have your system up. We learned how like to make it so that after 2 minutes your screen shuts off, and then after a little bit, like after maybe 5 minutes, your computer will shut down. But then we learned about the different modes between like hibernating and actually shutting down and that kind of thing. The different like power consumption that happens depending on what mode your computer is in when it's off. That was really cool for me to go through. I didn't know that you could put it into different modes, so I actually really enjoyed learning about that. So, obviously we went through and troubleshooted like we always do, the different things that we went through. Um, Learned about battery life, which was really interesting. And how you can set it to turn off or like turn down your brightness or turn off certain functions when your battery is running low. Yeah, this was a fun one to go through. Um, we learned we did some stuff about like mail, which was interesting. I didn't know we were gonna do that one in this, but we learned about mail and stuff, and we went through sorry about that. Went through with our iPads and stuff that you were given, the different things like between like screen lock and with your fingerprint locks and your using Face ID, um, through going through the settings on an iPad. We had a lab where we went through and made a new password for our iPad, which I can go through right now. So if you go to this, click the Start Lab button, you'll get brought into your lab, and it says you're an IT administrator for a small corporate network. The receptionist, Maggie Brown, uses an iPad to manage employee schedules uh, and messages. You need to help her make the iPad more secure. The current passcode is just 1542. So in this lab, you're going to set a secure passcode and make a requirement for the password. Um, and then make it so that it erases all the data after 10 failed passcode attempts. So you're going to click on the settings button in your iPad. Then from there, you're going to want to go down to Touch ID and passcode, put in the old passcode 1542, and that'll get you into this. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to, from here, uh, require passcode after 5 minutes, go back, change your passcode, type in your old passcode again, 1542, and entering Actually, you have to change the settings of it so that you can enter a non-simple passcode. Drag that over, enter your old one, and your new password, which is going to be keep out of my iPad. And enter that, and then you're going to want to re-enter it. Alright, so we got that all done. The new password's in. Um, After that, you're going to want to go down to erase data. Turn that on. Now with erase data, enable it. With erase data, we're doing it on this one just because we don't want people to get any secure things, but you do not want to do this on your own personal iPad if you're just using it to like watch movies or anything like that. Because if you do fail your login 10 times because you forget your password or something, it's going to completely erase all of the data on your iPad. You will have absolutely nothing left from when you had it before, and that is just not something that a lot of people want to go through. So they do give a warning for erase data when you turn it on, just to be like, are you sure you want to enable this? And obviously we wanted to. So we're going to score this lab. And yeah, we passed. Good job. Um, so yeah. Uh, as always, you can find more of these videos for my PC Pro on my YouTube or on my Wix website. And my Wix website, it's in my PC Pro updates tab, which you can find by going through to my PC Pro and then clicking the updates button in the upper left-hand corner. On my YouTube, it'll just be in my videos. You can go to the bio of my YouTube to get to my Wix website. You can go to the bottom of my Wix website to get to my YouTube. In my Wix website, you can find out more about me, including my bio, my resume. Contact me if you want to. You can also see all the different things I've been doing in my other computer science classes, including advanced cybersecurity, um, advanced computer science, where we do things with programming. You can go all the way back to my freshman year when I was doing introduction to computer science and computer science software engineering, and check out some of the things that I used to do and some of the things that I'm also currently doing right now. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is for you. See ya.